In Karachi in the 1950s, living in Pakistan, Kachri Road, 2nd floor, I get a knock at the door early in the morning. I open the door and a Caucasian, a white man, says, "Good morning." I say, "Good morning, what can I do for you?" The man says, "Look, I have got some literature for you." I said, "Come inside." He comes in, sits down. I say, "Where do you come from?" He says, "I come from England." A few days later, another knock at the door. I open the door and another white man. This is right in the center of Karachi. I say, "What can I do for you? I have some literature for you." "Where do you come from?" "America." "This guy's coming from 6,000 miles, that guy is coming from 10,000 miles to preach me in my country." I want to know, what am I doing? Nothing. It is an obligation of the Muslims to deliver the message long before Salah, Zakah, and Hajj became fard. Allah tells His prophets, and through him, He's telling us, you deliver the message because it's your duty.